You need to know that Windows operating system normally do have an embedded antivirus in their operating system. Now let's start. Go to your Start button, right click on it and choose Run. Or you can just click on your Start button, type in Run there. Or you can press the Windows logo key on your keyboard and press R, which is Windows R, and then you'll get the dialog box. So let's go back to the Start button, right click on that and press Run. Now when it comes out, please kindly type in MRT and click the button OK. All right. Now this dialog box comes out, Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. Let's go down here and click Next. Now there are different options here. The first option is a quick scan. Scans areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. If malicious software is found, you may be prompted to run a full scan. Now the second option here, if I click on that, it would run full scan, scans the entire system. Note that this scan can take up to several hours on some computers. Now the last option here is customized scan. In addition to a quick scan, the tool will also scan the content of a user specified folder. Now let's quickly use the quick scan and continue. Go to Next, click on the Next. If you look over here, it has finished scanning the computer. And here, no malicious software was detected. Now, if you do that on your computer and you find that a malicious software was detected, follow the prompt and scan and remove whatever malicious software that was found on your computer. All right. Then I'll go ahead and click Finish. If this video helped you, please go ahead and click the like button, share and subscribe